All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the apps page. So you can go to apps and it'll show existing apps if you have any. In this case, I built 4 out to do some testing and whatnot. And then you can also do component libraries. So you don't have any component libraries yet. This is where your component libraries will live. Create a component library to get started. So let's do that. So we'll just call this test. And create components for your Canvas app as reusable building blocks that allow you to make custom controls to use across multiple apps. So I'll hit create. And what that's going to do is think of it as like reusable code. If you were coding something, you'd write out a block of code and then you'd be able to reuse it for another project. That's basically what the idea is. Okay. And we can insert and we'll just change this to submit. There we go. And then we'll close this out. So let's save that. We'll save it to the cloud and we'll just call it test. Okay, there we go. So now let's close that out. Yep, we'll leave the page. And we'll go back to apps and then click on create new app. So you have a Canvas, model driven, and portal. You can import Canvas app and then use Microsoft Dynamics. So let's click on Canvas first. So we're going to look at each one. Okay, so start with a blank canvas or template. So we'll just grab the phone layout. Okay, so that's the canvas. Then if we do new app and we do model driven, then it will give you a different interface here. So we'll call this test app. Okay, so we're done. Okay, so let's hit save. And then the last one is the portal app. So portal from blank. So let's do test portal and then learntech plus.powerappsportal.com. And it'll check to see if that works, if it's available, I should say. And then I'm going to hit create. So create a website to share data with external and internal users. This template comes with sample pages to get you quickly started. So the whole idea of that is to just get you rolling. Okay, so your portal test, your test portal is currently being provisioned, and this can take time. You'll be notified via notifications pane once it is provisioned. Okay, so we won't wait for that. We'll just keep on going through the course, and then when that gives us a notification, then we'll take a look at it. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.